Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am doing a quick clean and decorate of my master bedroom. I just finished washing my sheets for my bed. So the bedding is clean and I am placing the sheets back on my bed. My question to you, how many sheets sets do you have? I try to keep two, one, as a spare, but lately I have been washing the sheets that I have on my bed and placing them back on. But yes, I am doing this. I'm getting my workout today because this is a king size bed that I'm doing. So I'm walking from side to side to side to side. So you do get your workout on. Also, while I am chatting, use this as motivation to get something done, whether it's in your master bedroom, your living room, your kitchen, whatever you need to clean in your home, use this as cleaning motivation. I love watching these types of videos, and that motivates me to do the same. Now, this video is not that long, but it is long enough for you to accomplish something. Now, this bed is called a ghost bed. We purchased this ghost bed from Costco's about a year or so ago, and we absolutely love it. You can adjust your head, you can adjust your feet. It is a amazing bed. Now guys, I love pillows. I probably have too many on this bed, but do you really have too many pillows on your bed? This is mild, what I'm placing on here. I purchased this bedding over the Christmas holidays and I absolutely love it. It is neutral and it will probably stay on my bed for a while, so I'm not changing the bedding out. I'm just going to add something different to it. Like this beautiful quilt that I recently purchased from Amazon. It is bringing that spring color in to me, that sagey color. I absolutely love it, but it is a hard color to find accent pieces for. So giving you all a heads up, this room is not finished. All right, this is what I call a pre-spring. So I'll be doing a little shopping, just a little bit, and a little shopping of my home in the process. But I'm loving this color. Just by adding this punch of sage green brightened up my space. Now I'll be placing this quilt at the foot of our bed. And I'm going to do a little technique of pleating it for decorative purposes. And I have 3 folds and it looks amazing on the bed. Now I started to add a tray, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep it simple today. I do have the shams as well. This comes as a 3-piece set on Amazon. I'll have it linked in my description box down below. So I'm going to change the black pillow cases that I have to these shams. And just by changing this little thing on the bed refreshes the room. Now I did purchase these window panels, but y'all, it did not work for me. So I probably need to go look for some or place an order for some. because they just did not work. They really looked cheap against my K-Gorge panels that I have here. So I'm like, nah, it's not gonna work. So I kept it simple and just left the K-Gorge off-white panels, and they look good, but I wanted to add more of a punch of color on my windows, but this will work for now. I will have K-Gorge linked in my description box down below as well, because these panels are absolutely amazing. They give a luxe feel to any space that you place them in. Now my hubby was standing back and he was like, we need to change this metal piece that we had over the bed because it was just small, too small. So we placed these medallions that I had in my hallway, and they look so much better over the bed. And then I also shopped my home. He had these nesting tables in the game room, and I pulled them out of there and placed them here. I'm just playing with decor at this point, and I like them in here as well. Now on my nightstands, I keep it simple. These lamps have been here for a while. The floral, I like to put a little floral on the nightstands, and this floral is something that I thrifted. I did change the color of the florals to just off-white, and I have a wax warmer that my girl Christy C, my sister, hi Christy, I put this wax melt in, and it's making us hungry. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a maple butter. Oh my goodness. And as you can see, it's not melted yet, and it's already smelling up our space. Again, all of the pillows on the bed, I'm absolutely loving. I did move the pillow shams in front of the decorative pillows because they were light green or the sagey color. I wanted that pop of color, so I did that and placed a round decorative pillow in front. I do have 2 of those round pillows, but I only needed 1 on the bed. And this is how the bed looks, and I am loving it. Again, it doesn't take much to refresh your space. These mirrors, by the way, came from Hobby Lobby. I think I picked them up at a 90% off sale. I paid like $6 or $7 a piece for the both of them. I had to have them. And I knew exactly where I was going to place them. So I'm loving that. Here's my hubby's nightstand, and I have a floral on his side, same lamp as on my side. Now this love seat I do not like, but hubby loves this love seat. He says it's so comfortable. So it stays for now, and I just place some sage pillows, throw pillows on it. This love seat, maybe if I can find some pillows for the back, it wouldn't be so bad. So I'll be on the search for some pillows to replace those. Next to my hubby's nightstand is this area here, and I really didn't change it much. I just had a quilt on it, like a peach colored quilt. I just removed everything else, stayed the same in this area. Now my dresser, I just added this beautiful floral piece. I'm thinking about changing these lamps out. Actually, we're thinking about changing the furniture out. Possibly giving this furniture to one of my sons when he moves. So we'll see what happens. This is my favorite area, which is by the fireplace. This is the view that we have from the bed. These chairs actually came from At Home. I love them. They're like, to me, like throne chairs for my hubby and I. They are so pretty, and I'm actually thinking of getting another set in a different color. But this is gorgeous. I found the Better Together pillows from Walmart. Clearance for like $5 and some change. And those round pillows were a gift from Christy C. And I just placed some totally Dazzled bling in the center of those round pillows, and they take them up to the next level. I absolutely love them. Now, if you are interested in Totally Dazzled, the link is also in my description box down below. But this is the view of the fireplace and the sitting area. This is over our bed with those medallions that I also picked up clearance from Hobby Lobby, by the way, a couple of years ago. This is a view from the door into my room, of course the dresser, and again the fireplace wall. But I wanted to bring to you this quick video. As you can see, hubby and I, we're sitting here chatting. We're throwing ideas out because we do want to change this space, and hopefully we'll be doing that within the next couple of months. We have some ideas that we want to do, and so we're so excited to do them, just to change up our space. So we are at the end of this video. Let me know if you were working along with me in what area of your home, and did you accomplish what you set out to do? Let me know in the comments section below. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.